The stock market is often described as a casino, and honestly, that's not completely wrong. Every day, millions of people wake up, open their trading apps, stare at charts they don't understand, and confidently buy stocks based on something they saw on social media 5 minutes ago. Somehow, this strategy doesn't always work. In fact, most investors underperform the market, which is strange because the market itself has historically gone up for over 100 years. So how do people lose in a game where the average result is winning? The biggest lie. People think investing success comes from intelligence, predictions, secret indicators. Reality? Most success comes from time, consistency, avoiding mistakes. Imagine trying to lose weight by predicting tomorrow's weather. That's basically what many investors do when they try to predict next week's stock prices. Why humans are bad investors. Fear? Market falls 20%, people panic sell. Greed? Market rises 30%, people buy at the top. Investors buy optimism and sell panic, which is exactly backwards. The power of boring. Index funds. Instead of which company wins, ask, will businesses collectively keep making money over the next 30 years? Historically, yes. Simple example, $10,000 invested monthly. Compounding illustration, show how patience beats prediction. The wealth machine. 3 ingredients: income, investing, time. Investing is less about finding the next NVIDIA and more about owning every future NVIDIA before it becomes NVIDIA. The funny thing about investing is that the people doing the least often end up with the best results. They aren't glued to charts. They aren't watching financial news all day. They aren't predicting recessions every 6 months. They simply buy productive assets and wait. In a world where everyone is trying to do more, wealth is one of the few games where doing less often wins.
Still a lot left to understand,